All right, yeah, I got a picture of him. Oh yeah, yes, you threw that. Thank you.
What?
Flat tire, y'all boys. We got a flat tire on the C8. Boy, he is surely clean though, I'll tell you that. One, so let's go with that. Damn, we got some hill. One for these boards. I don't know what we would do, y'all boys. I can tell Cub been driving it, bit though. I know that. Now you can't tell me bro wasn't burning out in these things. This thing hardly got no tread in it. Alright, let's go ahead and get this thing going. A nice Corvette, definitely a nice car. Does everyone feel like Corvette should have went this mid-engine route? Looks like we got a Scat pack downtown. Yes sir. I'm telling you, I don't know why Dodge stopped making these things, man. One of the best cars ever. One of the best cars Dodge ever could have made. See, that's one thing about these Scats and these Chargers. You can't tell the new ones from the old ones. Alright, let's see. man. You guys know I gotta do it one more time for the one time. Dang, you can't get rid of that old V8, man. You cannot get rid of that old school V8. Now let's put this stuff off. I know y'all not accustomed to seeing me at a Chevy dealership, but I had to take a moment and just pause and look at this beauty. God, this that Z06, baby. Look at these rims on this thing, man. Goodness. 2024 Z06. Oh! Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Oh, and it's sold. Look at the interior on this joint. That peanut butter. What did I say to y'all last time? That peanut butter with the carbon. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious, look at this thing, man. This thing look nice too now. But boy, this take the cake. Boy, look how 345. That's a big yes sir. Goodness gracious, that thing is beautiful, man. I don't know what y'all prefer. Y'all prefer this body style or this body style? I feel like this one, it just look wider to me. I don't know. It don't look wider to y'all. I feel like there's a wider base on here. It gotta be, because to put some 345s on, what size are these? I'm glad they got the Mickeys. 305s. Looks like they got 305s on these things here. Oh boy, that thing is beautiful too now. Dang. This thing is nice. Oh, and this is sold too. Goodness gracious. Yes, sir. Man, I tell you, boy, both these things beautiful. Dog, y'all gotta run for your money, boy. You definitely gotta run for your money, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They got a couple Dodges though. Got a couple Dodges, GMs. Y'all want to know where to find it? Greco Chevrolet. Oh, what is that I see? I know you lying. Nah, the disrespect. I knows we ain't get a Mopar boy that done traded in the Scat 2016. Golly. We had another boy that done bit the dirt. Not them having the Hellcat and dealer on the showroom floor. Goodness gracious. And it's a manual too. Well, heck, look like the Chevy boys done took one of our own, man. What y'all boys think? Chevy's riding all night long.